Hey, look what I found. My dash cam. I haven't used this in a very long time. I actually got this a couple of years ago at a Black Friday sale for 20 bucks. And I used it for like a week and then I took it down. I don't remember why. Never put it back up. And was cleaning out the house and I found it. So now, when I'm driving, I'll be recording. So if something interesting happens, I can share with you guys. And also, God forbid there's an accident or something, it'd be nice to be able to have some video proof of what happened. At least what's in front of me. I don't have a rear camera. But yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. Pretty cool, item. I don't know, like I said, I mean, occasionally I do see some animals. I've seen bear run across the road, fox, all kinds of stuff like that. And there's been certainly some times where some stuff was going down and I would have liked to film it. But when you're driving, you can't film. Not safely anyway. So now I got the dash cam. So let me know down below how many of you guys viewing the video have a dash cam. Have you ever caught an accident on it or anything really interesting? And also, if you do have a rear facing camera, what kind of setup do you have? Just curious. But anyway, just a quick heads up. Something cool happens when I'm driving. You'll see it eventually. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one.